Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use your Canva website template in Wix. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do is to log into our Wix account and then select your website. Then after that, log into your Canva and then open your Canva website. Okay, and then after that, once you are on your Canva website, all you have to do here is to tap on the share option and then make sure that your Canva website is published. Okay, so tap on the share option that you can see here at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on the see all option that you can find here, and then make sure to select the embed. All right, and then after that, you have here now the HTML embed code and the smart embed link. So here I'm going to copy this one and then go back to Wix website. Then after that, what we are going to do here is to create a new section. So for example, I'm going to add here a new section for that Canva website template. And then after that, just tap on this add elements option that you can find here. Okay, and then just go to the embed and social. And then you have here the embed code option. So you just have to tap on this one. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once done, all you have to do is to enter here the code. Okay, so since we have copied the code of our Canva website, we're just going to paste it right here. Then click on update after that. Okay, once done, you just have to close this section and then you just have to expand this one. And once you're done, you just have to save your changes. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.